Bernadette Loren Palisada Domings Sembrano Aguinaldo, born February 18, 1976, is a Filipina broadcast journalist, television presenter, news anchor, musician, author, and former field reporter. She is the co-anchor of the ABS-CBN's evening news program TV Patrol and the host on the weekly news magazine show Dao Po. Sembrano started with IBC as a newscaster in 1997 when she joined with GMA Network in 1998. She was anchored the late-night weekend edition newscast GMA Network News and also as alternate anchor for Soxy, and the public service as first wish-oriented show Wish Ko Lang. After walking out in an episode of Soxy in September 2003, she was suspended by GMA and was later terminated on December 20, 2003, but she continued to work with Wish Ko Lang and GMA Network until February 14, 2004, and being replaced by Vicky Morales, who is takeover as host. After she got suspended by GMA Network, she transferred to ABS-CBN in 2004, where she hosted the public service show Luxo NG to Go, an OFW drama anthology entitled Nagmamail, Kapamilya, and the morning show Magandang Umaga, Filipinas. She also served as a correspondent for ABS-CBN's longest investigative journalism show, The Correspondence. Sembrano was also a co-anchor on TV Patrol Weekend from 2005 to 2011, replacing C's Dryland, and she was replaced by Pinky Webb, a newscaster on DZMM programs Radio Patrol Balita Alastos, Guising Filipinas, and Radio Patrol Balita Alas Cuatro, alongside Alex Santos and host of Salamat Doc, Amagang K. Ganda, and other ABS-CBN news programs. She later anchored the morning program Lingkod Kapamilya on DZMM until 2020 and Teleradio until 2023. On August 3, 2015, she was named as the co-anchor of the weeknight edition of TV Patrol, which replaced Karina Sanchez after a decade of being in the weekend edition of the said newscast. She later left Amagang K. Ganda on October 2nd to focus on her duties as a TV Patrol anchor. When DWPM Radio 630 was launched on June 30th, 2023 as the successor of DZMM, she began anchoring the public service radio program Tatic Servicio alongside Winnie Cordero, marking her return to AM radio after 3 years. On July 1st, 2024, she began anchoring Clinica 630 alongside Dr. Dennis NGO until May 30th, 2025, due to the relaunch of DZMM a day prior. She remains one of the more visible newscasters, television hosts, and correspondents of ABS-CBN News and Current Affairs. On August 17, 2020, Sembrano was credited as co-lyricist alongside Star Music creative director Jonathan Manalo in the song ANG-SA Iyo Ayakin by Aegis, the theme song of the Philippine drama television series of the same name. In November 2020, she wrote and recorded the song Yakap in ANG Pasco, her very first song as singer. On May 5, 2021, 1 year after the ABS-CBN shutdown, Sembrano released her second single, Yakap, which she composed and performed. It was revealed that she initially planned to release the single in 2020, but Manalo suggested that the single be released on the network's first anniversary of being off-air instead. In June 2008, she married Emilio Orange Aguinaldo IV, the great-grandson of the first president of the Philippines, Emilio Aguinaldo. She suffered a miscarriage in 2018 as she revealed to have reproduction issues. In July 2011, Sembrano announced that she has Bell's palsy and underwent therapy. Sembrano graduated high school from Angelicum School, now Angelicum College, a private Catholic school in Quezon City, Philippines. She earned a Bachelor of Science degree in Business Administration from University of the Philippines, Diliman. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.